Good morning all students, how are you? Once again welcome on online classes. In previous lecture of lecture 2nd of class 9, we already discussed the general question based on the angles and properties of the parallelogram, rhombus, that all, and also we have discussed the properties of the all types of quadrilateral. In today lecture, we will discuss the exercise 8.1 theorems which is given in your NCERT. Okay, so theorem first already discuss कर ली थी, sum of all four angle is quadrilateral 360. Now theorem second is prove that in a parallelogram or prove that a diagonal divides the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Prove that a diagonal divides the parallelogram it into two congruent triangles. So first of all, what is given to you here? ABCD is a parallelogram. आपको स्टूडेंट्स गिवन क्या है? ABCD is a parallelogram that is given to in question. ABCD is the parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Parallelogram given और parallel होगी. Now what we will prove here? A diagonal AC. So what we have to prove here? Triangle ADC is congruent triangle ABC. Now proof part. So here we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. So easily we can prove. First, in triangle first is ADC and second one is ABC. First, AD is equals to BC. Reason? Opposite sides are equal. Second is that DC is equals to AB. Same reason. Opposite sides are equal. Third, AC is equals to AC is common. So triangle ADC is congruent triangle ABC using triple S rule. Hence proof. ये proof करना था आपको that if we draw a diagonal in the parallelogram, then that diagonal divides the parallelogram into two triangles which are congruent to each other. That is the first property, right? Now second देखो, second theorem क्या है? Second होगी. Third one देखो. Third one, prove that in a parallelogram their opposite sides are equal. So how we will prove? Third one theorem is that we have to prove that their opposite sides are equal. Prove that in a parallelogram their opposite sides are equal. So only given to you parallel, these sides are parallel not equal. ये तो आपको proof करना है. That we will prove here. So what is given to you? Students, given क्या है? ABCD is the parallelogram that is given to you. And what we will prove here? Their opposite sides are equal. So given is ABCD is a parallelogram. To prove AB is equals to CD and BC is equals to DA. Now here construction. So in construction, what we have to do? We have join A to C. So construction we will do by using the dotted line. So construction join A to C. Now in proof part, after joining the A to C, we find out here two triangles. First triangle ABC and second triangle ADC. But proof क्या करना है? Their opposite sides are equal. So first of all, we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. So in triangle ADC and second triangle ABC, give the name angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. So firstly, angle 1 is equals to angle 3. A reason AD is parallel to BC. एंगल 1 किसके इक्वल है? थर्ड के. सेकेंड AC इज इक्वल्स टू AC इज कॉमन. एंड थर्ड रीजन एंगल 2 इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल 4. एंगल 2 इक्वल्स टू एंगल 4. AB इज पैरेलल टू CD. सो ट्राइंगल ADC is congruent with triangle ABC using which rule? Angle, their adjoining side, then again angle, and by using angle, side, angle. Okay, so firstly we prove here that given two triangles are congruent. After that we also know that if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding sides are also equal and their corresponding angles are also equal. corresponding sides भी equal होगी, corresponding angles भी क्या होंगे? equal होंगे. So by using CPCT, AB is equals to CD and BC is equals to AD. Hence, so in parallelogram, their opposite sides are equal also. Understand? Any problem in that theorem? Now next theorem, theorem number 4. In that theorem, students, parallelogram is given to you, then you have to prove opposite sides are equal. आपको ये यूज नहीं करना कि opposite side ही यूज करके प्रूफ कर रहे हो, आपको प्रूफ करना है their opposite sides are equal. Next theorem number 4. Theorem number 4 is that prove that in parallelogram their opposite sides are parallel. How we will prove that in parallelogram their opposite sides are parallel? ABCD is a parallelogram. Now given ABCD is a parallelogram, what we will prove here? AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. Now how we will prove that the lines are parallel? So for proving that their lines are parallel, either we will prove that their alternate angles are equal और their corresponding angles are equal. या तो alternate angles equal होंगे या फिर corresponding angles equal होंगे. Now construction. In construction join A to C. Why student? Why we will join here A to C? Because to formation the two triangles. Now in proof part, give the name angle 1, 2, angle 3 and angle 4. In proof part here two triangles. In triangle ADC and second triangle is ABC. Two triangles, so triangle ADC and triangle ABC. Firstly, AD is equals to BC. Reason? opposite sides are equal. Second, DC is equals to AB, same reason opposite sides are equal. Third, AC is equals to AC is the common, so triangle ADC is congruent with triangle ABC using triple S rule. By using CPCT, angle 1 equals to 3 and angle 2 is equals to 4. यूजिंग CPCT आपने क्या प्रूफ किया है? एंगल 1 is equals to 3 and 2 is equals to 4. But these angles are alternate angles or not? But these angles are alternate angles, and alternate angle are always forming between two parallel lines. So for first, angle 1 is equals to 3, meaning is that AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC, and second, AB is parallel to CD. Hence proof. So firstly, we have to prove that given two triangles are congruent. After that, triangles तो congruent proof कर दिया, but आपको proof क्या करना था actually? Their opposite sides are parallel. Now opposite sides को parallel proof करने के लिए क्या concept है students? Either their corresponding angles are equal or their alternate angles are equal. So we have to prove here their alternate angles are equal, and we know alternate angles are always forming between two parallel lines, so their opposite sides are parallel. Next theorem, fifth one is that in theorem fifth, prove that in parallelogram their opposite angles are equal. Given to you that ABCD is the parallelogram, firstly given write करो, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is the parallelogram. What we will prove here? Angle A is equals to angle C and angle B is equals to angle D. Their opposite angles are equal, and that we already discussed that property in the parallelogram also. But how we will prove? For that proof part, here AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. So angle A plus B is equals to 180 degree due to co-interior angle, due to co-interior angle. Angle A plus B 180 due to co-interior angle. Similarly, AD किसके पैरेलल है? BC के पैरेलल है. Then A plus B. Now AB is also parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. So angle B plus angle C 180 degree. Same reason, due to co-interior angle. That is equation number first and equation number second. From equation first and second, what we observe here? Equation first right hand side also 180 degree. Equation second right hand side also 180 degree. So from equation first and equation second, angle A plus angle B is equals to angle B plus angle C. Angle B cancel. What result will come? Angle A is equals to angle C. फर्स्ट पार्ट प्रूफ हो गया. सेकेंड पार्ट क्या प्रूफ करना है? B is equals to D. So for B is equals to D, now AD is parallel to BC. So angle A plus angle D is equals to 180 degree. Equation number 3 due to co-interior angle. Next, DC is also parallel to AB. DC is parallel to AB. So angle D, अब आपको प्रूफ क्या करना था? B is equals to D. So DC इसके पैरेलल है. So क्या बनेगा रिजल्ट? एंगल A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree. Equation due to the sum of two co-interior angles. Now from equation third and equation number 4, in equation third also right hand side 180 degree, in equation fourth also right hand side 180 degree. So angle A plus D is equals to angle A plus B. Angle A cancel. Angle B is equals to angle D. Hence, so easily you can prove in parallelogram their opposite angles are equal. किस प्रॉपर्टी से प्रूफ करना है? यूजिंग द co-interior angle sum property. Understand? Any problem? Now theorem number 6. These are important theorems and become questions in examination students. ये as it is एग्जाम में होती है. Theorem number 6. Prove that in parallelogram diagonals are bisects to each other what we will prove here? That in parallelogram its diagonals are bisect to each other. So given में क्या राइट करोगे? ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD parallelogram. Their opposite sides are equal and parallel. Second, what we will prove here? Diagonal. First AC, second BD, both are intersect to O. So proof क्या करना है आपको? AO is equals to CO and BO is equals to DO. Construction required नहीं है. Now proof. So how we will prove here? Give the name. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, 5, angle 6, 7 and angle 8. So how we will prove that AO is equals to OC and BO is equals to DO? For that we select a two triangles. First, in triangle AOB and second triangle COD. You can select these two triangles also. Compulsory not that AOB और COD select कर रहे हो. आप ये भी select कर सकते हो ADO and BCO. So in triangle AOB and COD, firstly, angle 1 is equals to angle 4. 1 किसके इक्वल है? 4 के इक्वल है. रीजन AB is parallel to CD because in parallelogram their opposite sides are parallel. Second, AB is equals to CD. Reason is that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Third one is that angle 2 is equals to angle 3. पैरेलल है then alternate एंगल बनेंगे ना. alternate angles due to alternate angle. So we prove here that triangle AOB, now triangle AOB is congruent with triangle COD using which rule? Angle side angle. So using angle side angle rule. Now by using CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle, what you are observing? AO is equals to CO and BO is equals to DO. Hence, यही प्रूफ करना था आपको. प्रूफ क्या करना था? In a parallelogram, their diagonals are bisect to each other. AO is equals to OC and BO is equals to DO. ये प्रूफ करना था. So for that, we select here two triangles, opposite two triangles. After selecting the opposite two triangles, we prove that these opposite triangles are congruent. After proving that these two triangles are congruent by using CPCT, AO is equals to OC and BO is equals to DO. So hence, diagonals of a parallelogram are bisect to each other. Diagonals of a parallelogram are bisect to each other. Okay. So in today's lecture, lecture 3rd, we will discuss the theorems related to the parallelogram. So first, after watching that video, firstly you will self prove these all theorems. Then after, do the question of exercise 8.1. Okay. In the next lecture, we will discuss the different question of exercise 8.1 that we will discuss in next lecture. Understand? So after watching that video, you will solve with examples of exercise 8.1. Thank you.